Hello my beautiful ladies and gentlemen. In this quick video I am just going to show you guys how to create volume and texture in your hair, and you are going to need just a few things. The very first thing, it is a texture spray. I recommend this one by Unite. We carried this one at the dollhouse. Also this is a quick tease by Redken, and this is just a back combing spray. Also, you will need a comb or brush or whatever, something to tease your hair with. Lastly, I just want to mention that I already curl my hair and I use an 1.25" curling iron. This is just a Hot Tools standard curling iron, nothing fancy. So I am going to start, and the very first thing that I'm going to do, it is take this one, and I am not very precise. You don't have to be like super precise. So just take your hair teasing hairspray, and then I am just going to get some parts, and I am just gonna spray a little at the root, spray a little at the root area. So there's that. Then I go back and just kind of give it a little tease. I don't like to tease my hair too much. I'm just not a teaser, but just enough so it can give you a little bit of lift. Messy bitchy. So look, oh my goodness, it already gave me so much of a difference. So next I am going to use this hairspray. So when I curl my hair, I literally didn't even brush it, didn't run my fingers through it, I just left it. So right now what I'm going to do is that I'm gonna go through and just kind of loosen up the waves. Just kind of break them off, you don't want them to be stuck together because that's not the look we're going for, obviously. And then I am just going to spray this. I feel like a Victoria's Secret model. Look at this, you guys. Just these two little products and boom, baby, you're hot chick. You see, it doesn't take much. Another thing that I want to tell you guys is that if you feel like your hair is not holding on to the curl, please, I suggest go and talk to your stylist, because you might be using the wrong shampoo, you might be using the wrong products, and it's not really your hair, it's the products that you are putting in your hair. Other than that, you guys, I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and love you guys.